Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Money Kenny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. For any part of this family, I appreciate you as usual. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few hairstyles that I love to do. Very easy everyday hairstyles you can do on the go or right before you step out with your box braids, because I'm somebody who doesn't like spend too much time on my hair. Honestly, I know I love hair and taking care of my hair and hair growth and all that good stuff, but I don't like to spend time on my hair. So these are a few quick hairstyles that you can do easily at home yourself really quickly, so to make your braids look different every day.
It's Money Kenny.
So this is the first hairstyle. Very basic, very normal, very easy. Like there's really nothing you're doing. You're just leaving your hair down with the middle line if that's what you like. If you want, you can do a different side part or whatever. And that would be like a bonus hairstyle that I will show you, is to do a side part. You know, just a little flip and I look different already. So this is basically, yeah, two looks in one. But I do not like for my hair to be on my face all the time. So let's move on to hairstyle number 2. So for this hairstyle, this is another easy hairstyle. I just want the hair out of my face. So you just grab like this on the sides and then hold it back. You need a little hair tie thing. So I'm holding it back here with one hand. And then I will just quickly pull this through. And I just make it as tight as I can go with this hairband. Exactly. So it's flat and tight and out of my face and still looking good. So it's like a half up, half down kind of look. You can wear it back, you know, sleek and simple and clean, or since I have the little curls, I can pull it forward and it gives me like that little pretty girly cutesy look when it's on the front with the little curls. So that is our look number 2. And this third look is a look I actually saw in a movie and I was like, oh, this is very easy and cute. So let me show you guys. So with look number 3, you just need to pull out 3 or 4, maybe this 3. I usually pull out this 3 in the front plus one second one here. So this 3 on the first line, 1 on this other line, just because I think it looks cute. Then this one, I push it to the back. And then I do the same on the other side. So this 3 and the rest, I push it to the back. So I'm just going to leave this out and then gather this other side and do my basic half up, half down look. So just making sure it's flat. Then I'll take my hairband okay, so I make it as tight as I am comfortable with. Now I will take this front and I'm going to like fix it on top of each other like this and then put it like this. So you see, so now it's not going to the back like the first hairstyle. This will leave my middle line still looking like a middle part, and then I'm going to pull this back. I feel like this hairstyle will look way better if my braids were like a little bit more tinier than this, but this has been my everyday hairstyle for like the past week and I'm definitely enjoying it. But like this is a very professional look. You can go to work, to school, to the office looking like this, and you're looking with your cute braids put together. Number 4. For look number 4, we are going all up. You can hold your hair like a high ponytail. So you can do half up, half down if you want. But whenever I do a high ponytail, I usually want all of the hair up. So what I will usually do is, because I'm not able to hold all of the hair in one ponytail, this is a little hack for you. So you just hold as much as you can. As much as you can hold and put it in your, ponytail. Which is what I'm doing. Okay, so you've put it up so you can make it a clean ponytail, but because this is not the look I'm going for, so I'm just tying it up anyhow. But this is also a look. If you like this, I'm not a fan of this look, but you can definitely have a high ponytail like this. So what I do is I now separate the rest of the hair into 2, and then I start wrapping it around. So let me show you guys. So I take this half and pass it over here, and then wrap it around the ponytail, and then I tuck it in here. And then you do the same on the other side. Take the half here, wrap it around as tightly as you want it to, and then I tuck it in here. And then the remaining hair, sometimes I leave it like this and just make it like a cute whatever style, but then I would usually just take the rest and wrap it over and tuck it in. So that's like a little, I feel like it's not like in the middle the way I want, but this is usually what I'll do. And sometimes I know if I don't want it to be too high up, I would like press it down a little bit for it to have like that everyday whatever kind of look, like quick hairdo, hair up and relax. I usually love this hairstyle when it's summer or when places are a bit hot, because when it's hot I don't want any hair to touch my back. But this is a very cute, simple, classy hairstyle you can do with your braids and go to work. You can see, look at how cute this is. Yeah, so those are a few simple hairstyles that I do like on an everyday look. There is more you can do with your braids, but I just prefer going like super simple, especially because the more stress I put on my hair, the more tension I put on my hair, the more breakage I have. So just as to avoid like breakage and letting the hair grow as long as it can grow, I do not do too much pulling on the hair. I do like really easy hairstyles. So the fifth and last hairstyle I want to show you guys today is this cute, easy side part. So I would just take like the front of the hair, like this front, like this part, and I'm just going to put it either on this side or on this side. I don't know which side I'm feeling today. I think I'm feeling this side. So I put it on this side. So it depends. On some days I'll put on this side, on some the other days I'll put on the other side. Just depends. And sometimes I can just hold it back with this other hair like this, and then leave a little bit of hair out, just to be a little bit cutesy or whatever, just to look cute. So I would just hold this in the bun back here as tightly as I can hold it. So let's do that. So I'll just hold it in the bun right here. There's still a little bit left out. And I have this little 3 falling on my face, and this is such a cute look. When I have like an important meeting or presentation at school, I feel like this is cute. It's still giving, African baddie, African princess, but looking like super cute and just not that simple. And yeah, so this is the final look of my everyday 5 looks that I wanted to show you guys. So these are 5 looks that I do every day, depending on my day to day. If I'm going to work or school, all of these looks will look good without putting too much tension on my own hair. This leaves my hair to breathe, to grow, to flourish, because that's the goal. The goal of doing all of these hairstyles and protective hairstyling is for my own natural hair to grow and be healthy. So these are 5 simple hairstyles that I do to let my natural hair grow while in my box braids without so much tension. The less tension, the less manipulation, the better for your own natural hair, and that is my goal. So most of the time I do like really simple hairstyles when I have my braids, just so that I do not put any tension on my hair. Another extra thing I could have done is maybe, lay my baby hair a little bit, but I'm not so big on baby hair, honestly. I do it because it looks cute, and most of the time I just don't care. I just don't do it. But if I added like a little swoop here, swoop there, I'm sure it's going to be like mwah. But anyway, so guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed these 5 simple hairstyles. I hope that this will help you in your hair journey. So do these 5 styles. They're very easy. They are really no tension on the hair, and this will help your hair grow and flourish. Thank you guys so much for watching to this point of the video. I will see you guys in my next video, which I'll put right up here. So click on that, binge watch, welcome to the family, and do not forget to click that subscribe button and the little bell beside it so you do not miss any videos. You get notified every time I post something new. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Let me know in the comment section what else you want to see. If you have any questions, any doubts, anything you want, I'm going to respond as quick as I can. So I'll see you guys in my next video next week, and have a nice day, have a nice week. Love you all. Bye.